Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my websites that I made with an API. It's a banana language translator app. Let me show you. Let me close this ad. This is my website. I don't think that I'll have to show you the HTML code. If you want to check it, then you can check it on my GitHub. By the way, I have made a h1 tag here with a header and then a text area and then a translate button over here and then the translated text over here. Also, I've added some text in the footer to give like credits to me to the API, and one of my website made with the same website which lists the language APIs. Now I'll head over to my code. Here's the JavaScript code. Actually, I am skipping that HTML part because I don't want to do it in like less than 5 minutes. So without wasting time, let's go. Here I have listed all my things like user text and translated button and translated text. This one, user text, translate button and translated text here. Actually for DOM manipulation. And then on the translate button I have added a event listener click where I have made a function translate. So we'll skip this part because this is just for testing. And let me go over head over, and then here it is, translate function, which takes the input text, actually user text dot value, takes the value of user text, and then I've added the URL over here of the API and then added the input text. Okay, what's input text? You know, input text is the user text dot value, which means the value that the user puts in. And then here it's the fetch function called on the URL, and then function called where I have added a function response handler, where the response is a parameter, and then it returns the to the promise the response.json which we get from the API. And then what I also have added then that to log my JSON so that I can just check what is going on. Actually, I'll show you. If I write over here something like this website and click on the translate button, yeah, voila, here it is. Let me show you the code. Here you can see that I have got an array, actually object, where this translated object is also here. And then you can see that banana text is equal to json.contents.translated. It means that I'm going into the JSON and then going to the translated, and then I'm going to the translate, going to the contents and then going to the translated. And then what it does, that to the translated text, which means this one translated text, which means this area, this div, it adds an inner HTML to that, which is paragraph element, and the banana text which I have given it here. And then I have also called a catch function which handles the error whatever happens or goes wrong with the API. For example, that this API can only load, not for example, it actually only loads 5 times in an hour. So I'll show you, like I'll do something like anything, and then I'll call it again. It will load 4 times this time because I have already done once. It's the last time, I think. Look, here is the error, server error. You can see that as I have written here, that alerts server error, and then the inner HTML will turn to this server is facing a problem. Let me show you. You can see here server is facing a problem. So that was it. And also, if you want, you can check one of my other language website where there are 3 languages and you can play with it. All the links are in description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.